Hello friends, welcome to Poongodi's channel. Today we'll learn shading colors. I'm going to mix this light green with golden yellow, cerulean blue, white, orange and black and show you the shades which we get while mixing these colors. See, this leaf I have mixed green with white and then green with golden yellow, and this leaf with green and cerulean blue. Here I have mixed green and orange, and the last one green plus black. So we'll get different shades in green. I am taking this light green and at first I am going to mix this with golden yellow. Add few drops of golden yellow. Mix evenly with 1 or 2 drops of water. And complete one full leaf with this green and golden yellow mix. And I have finished the full leaf with this yellow mix, and for the next leaf we'll mix cerulean blue with this light green. Add 1 or 2 drops of water, mix completely and finish the next leaf. If you have missed my previous lessons, I have given the links in the description. You can go there and see the previous lessons in fabric painting. I am teaching from the basics. See, this leaf is with blue shade. And coming to our next leaf, I am mixing white with light green. Add few drops of water, mix completely. And now let us finish our next leaf with green and white mix. Now you can understand the difference between the shades which we mix with same light green. This is just for understanding the color mixing and the shades which you get while mixing. Next I am mixing orange with green. And finishing our next leaf. And coming to the final leaf, I am mixing 1 drop of black with green. Whenever you mix black, you take little amount of black and the other shade little more. And now we'll finish the next leaf with light green and black mix. This painting may not look well, but just to learn the colors and their shades I am doing this. Finally we'll put the outline with black, with direct black. I am putting these twigs and the outlines. I hope you are clear with this video. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I am always ready to clear your doubts. If you like this video, share with your friends. Please click the like button. We'll complete the outline with black. And to learn more lessons in fabric painting, please subscribe for my channel. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. I'll meet you with my next video. Thank you for watching.